As you can see, this is the code for React hook form with Zod with default value set to initial data. Now we see how my UI looks like and how it works and what the problem occurring with the React hook form default values. As you can see, this is the dashboard view to update career listing of the site. Now we navigate to edit view of the career. After fetching the data, as you can see, this is the career view properties view page. Now we see the contact number. This is the contact number of the career. After going back to the career home page, as you can see, when we click the new career and give a career title, we're creating a new career. As you can see, the values are still the same with the new values. It is not resetting to new values, it is the value same. So this is the problem with React hook form. To fix this problem, what we have to do is use effect React hook. So we import use effect React hook from React and use effect hook with the code form.reset with initial data and use effect dependencies with initial data and form. After doing this, when we go back to the career page and refresh it, after refreshing to see the working, we go to first career page, edit view. As you can see, this is the career contact number as it should be. When we back to careers and go to next career edit view page, as you can see, now it is working fine, where previously it was showing the contact number of the first career. This is the problem we have fixed using the use effect. So fix React hook default values problem, use this